Sheriff's Office. You don't have a tag on your vehicle. Do you have a license?
Not on me, sir. I don't believe I do.
You don't have a license on you?
I was just trying to run the store to get some food for my dog real quick.
Okay, well, you know you can't drive this vehicle, right, without
I'll
a tag?
turn around then and go back to the house. And I'll walk
No,
down
sir.
there.
You were going to stay here, okay? All right, so you don't have your license on you?
We've got another sovereign citizen encounter for you today. Yes, another one of those drivers who believe traffic laws are somehow optional. This guy has been arrested 8 times in just 1 year. 8! And every single time, it's because he refuses to get a driver's license or follow basic road laws. Today, we're diving into the body cam footage of this repeat offender behind the wheel without a license. Again, let's see how that works out for him this time. And I want to hear from you. What do you think about the sovereign citizen movement as a whole? Drop it in the comments. Let's get into it.
No, sir. All I have for the picture right now is this.
Okay. Do you have registration on this vehicle, and do you have your...
It's not mine. I don't know where anything is.
You said it's not yours?
No.
Whose vehicle is this?
It was my neighbor's across the road.
It was your neighbor's.
Yeah. He lets me use it whenever he wants. I mean, I
But
have keys.
it's parked in your driveway.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, unfortunately, because you don't have a license, or do you have a valid license?
Not with me.
Not with you?
No, I'm trying to get it reinstated, but I got to pay some fees that are kind of exorbitant
So
right now.
your license isn't even valid?
No.
Okay.
So no, right now.
All right. Sit tight, okay?
All right.
After a brief investigation, it was discovered Justin's license was suspended in 2022 and the vehicle was not insured. Hey, Justin, step out of the vehicle for me, all right?
What you need?
All right, come here.
You mean arrested?
We've got an issue here, okay?
What's the issue?
Well, the issue is, one, your driver's license has been suspended since 2022.
Oh, that's...
Okay? Yes. 2, all right, you're driving a vehicle with no tag on it.
It's not driving, though. That's kind of a commercial term.
No.
I'm handling private...
You're traveling by means of driving.
No, sir.
Yes. Well, what
I
are the
disagree
means?
with that.
What means are you traveling then? You're traveling, but by what means?
By using an automobile.
Right. You're operating an automobile, correct?
No.
You're operating, meaning you're in control of.
I didn't never
You're
say
not.
that.
You're
You
not
said
in control of an automobile. You're not in control of this automobile.
I'm in use of it.
You're in use of it.
Yes.
So you don't control it.
I mean, it's got a computer system.
It's got a computer. My man,
if it decides to take control,
you are in control of this automobile, okay? It doesn't self-drive.
All right.
You are in control. So you are operating because you are in control of a motor vehicle and traveling by means of driving, okay?
What do you want to do about it?
So here's the thing, all right? Put your hands behind your back.
All right. You're down already. Nothing.
I will take care of it.
Can we go by my house?
No.
Because I got stuff that's sitting out that's going to ruin my dog.
Well, then you're going to have to call somebody to come take care of your pets, okay? 442 back.
I feel like I'm just a giant target now. You already arrested me once and everything.
1015, one white male. Yes, I have actually, and I told you that I was going to be looking for this van because it is.
So you're just watching my house waiting on me to mess up then?
No, I was
As
just.
soon as I drove by, you turned around and pulled me
Yeah,
over.
because I noticed the van. I know exactly what van you drive. Okay, so
Where you want me to?
you're going to sit in the back of my vehicle.
Here we go again.
Yeah, man. I told you if I see that van traveling, okay, then I was going to pull it over and I was going to tow it and I was going to place you under arrest. I told you that. I said you need to get things in order. All right, you don't have a proper driver's license. You don't have your van registered. You don't have that van registered. Okay. You're using the sovereign citizen script, and your van, your license plate, is kind of
You got your slow
reflecting.
labeling us.
Well, yeah, that's your label, man. Stop using the sovereign citizen script,
I don't
and
do
also
anything.
you just said your means.
The officer is absolutely on point here. No debate. If this guy doesn't want to be labeled a sovereign citizen, maybe he shouldn't repeat the exact same arguments we've heard 100 times before. It's like there's a script somewhere that they all memorize. Same phrases, same magic words, same outcome, arrest. They treat the Constitution like it's some kind of cheat code that overrides traffic law. But courts have made it crystal clear. Driving is a privilege, not an unlimited right. What do you think so far? Is this stubbornness, delusion, or something else? Let's jump back in.
You have to follow Florida state statute, right?
On what grounds?
On what grounds?
Yeah.
You live here, my man.
So they're applicable to anybody that's within Florida, then, is that what you're saying?
Yeah,
Of course, Florida.
absolutely, 100% sure. You're in the state of Florida, you have to follow.
Statutes are applicable to employees.
Show me Outwit.
No, sir.
Do you have a law degree or anything?
You can tell the officer has heard this routine before. He's calm, professional, but internally, he knows exactly how this ends. Now, let's switch over to courtroom footage, because somehow this situation escalates even further once he stands in front of the judge. And trust me, the judge is not entertaining any of this. This isn't his first appearance either. He's been in and out of this courtroom so many times it might as well have a reserved seat for him. Let's see how this plays out.
What's going up? Mr. Thompson? I thought Mr. Thompson was in jail. And he was given a notice conditional release by Judge Campbell. Mr. Thompson, do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you today? What I'm going to do is I'm going to look at revoking your release because, in my opinion, you should be in custody and should not have been released from custody. I believe this is a new law violation. Is that correct?
A what, sir?
A new law violation. When you arrested on another driving license, suspended or revoked,
Yes, they were staking out my house, and I don't understand why. I was going to get some food.
I'm going to revoke your release at this time and take you into custody for a violation of probation. I'm going to take you into custody.
I'm here to finalize that disclaimer that I have. It's here now, sir.
Take him into
Would
custody.
accept it, please.
I'm revoking your release. You should have been held without bond. He's going to be held without bond.
I'm not going anywhere.
Just give him to his father there.
Can't believe this is happening again.
We'll talk to him again about an attorney when he has a seat of it.
I was down there trying to pay the fines before I came in here, sir.
Driving.
Mr. Thompson,
Well, they told me to come back
I
after
didn't
this.
sign the warrant. I thought you were being held without bond. I guess I should have checked. I'd have signed the warrant. You'd be held.
That was because my father. He said, I've been helping with the families that had a pacemaker put in just a few days ago, and trying to help nurse the family.
Put him in the box.
You were taking me away from the
Put him
family.
in the box.
Anything else in your property that you want to get?
I got the.
At this point, I genuinely have to ask, does he actually believe what he's saying, or is this an act? The arguments are a chaotic mix of legal-sounding phrases that don't connect to reality. Courtrooms aren't debate clubs. There are procedures, standards, and consequences. And when someone tries to turn a hearing into a personal philosophy lecture, it rarely ends well. What's your take? Is this confusion, strategy, or just refusing to accept accountability? Let's continue.
Mr. Thomas, you before the court, you were arrested on a new misdemeanor charge. Judge Campbell, I think, released you for a notice to appear today, or released you on your pretrial release. This is my probation. I got a warrant, so I'm going to issue a warrant today, hold without bond, based on your.
What is that now?
Judge Campbell, you were arrested on a new misdemeanor driving license suspended or revoked. Judge Campbell, on your violation of probation, released you. Pretrial release program. I'm revoking that release because it's my probation. And I'm going to hold you without bond based on the new violation.
That's just terrible.
Well, I can't help it, Mr. Thompson. You've got another
I was
charge.
here to disclaim and surrender all those documents that hold me liable here and move for subrogation.
Do you wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, sir.
You understand attorneys are... Go ahead and swear, Mr. Thompson.
For what reason?
I'm going to swear you and ask you some questions.
I don't think I'm supposed to be sworn in. Due to my faith.
Okay, well, I'm going to ask you to affirm, not swear. Okay?
It's the same thing, though, isn't it? Affirming and swearing.
I don't know.
I'm here for. Let my yeas be an A and my no's be a no.
Whatever that means. It means
Yes,
nothing
sir.
to me. But what
I'm
I will
here for
let me
honesty
ask you, do you
and
wish to have
justice.
an, do you wish
And
to
there's
have
no
an,
justice in
do
this
you
house.
wish to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, you keep doing it anyway, though. I've never authorized that
Do
from the
you wish
beginning.
to have an attorney appointed to represent you?
No, sir.
And how far did you get in school?
So
How far did you get in school?
graduated 12th grade.
Okay, and you were in the military, is that correct?
Yes, sir. I was in the Army infantry.
Okay.
Went to war and buried enough of my brothers and sisters to come home.
Yes, sir.
And this,
And
Kind
you
of
understand,
justice.
you can read and write. Correct?
to an extent,
You can't read and write altogether.
well, I mean, it all depends on what dictionary you're using, too. 100% disabled.
I understand that. I've done everything I could to keep you out
I've
of
already
jail.
been injured 2 different times at the jails.
I understand that completely, Mr. Thomason. But I've had no luck. Every 2
I
months.
came here
you're back
today and they told me to come back to complete
Every
a
2
signature.
months, you're back in court. So what I'm going to do, you still wish to represent yourself?
I think that's the best matter for me.
I mean, it's up to you. Right now,
I just still think that's the best matter for me. But
what I'm going to
it
do is,
doesn't seem like anything's fair inside this house. Nothing seems fair here.
how many times have you been released from custody in the last year?
I've been arrested 7 times
I
now
understand.
without any victims. I don't understand how the state of Florida, a stack of papers, can be a victim.
All right. I'm going to allow you to represent yourself. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and have Mr. Thompson evaluated again. Ms. Nelson, if you go ahead and prepare us on the court's own order, I'm going to hold you without bond based on the new
That's just
violation of
terrible.
probation.
My mother's 100% disabled. My dad has a pacemaker now, and you're going to hold me without bond.
Dad's at court
Driving
every day with you. I understand that completely, sir.
There've been no victims whatsoever in any.
Now he's arguing that there needs to be a victim for a traffic offense to count. This is one of the most common sovereign citizen claims. And it never holds up. Traffic laws are about public safety. They're designed to prevent harm before someone gets hurt. That's why you don't need a direct victim for the violation to exist. So here's the bigger question. How should courts handle repeat cases like this? Do you think free speech protects these arguments, even when they consistently fail? Or should judges come down harder to prevent the cycle from repeating? Let me know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Courtroom content. Was this hearing more hilarious, frustrating, or a mix of both? Drop your opinion below. I'll see you in the next one.